Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations in a general form. We are given f of 4x minus 1 plus f of 4 equals 8x minus 1. And what is f of minus 4? I will solve this problem in two different methods. And let's see how we can solve this in two different ways. From the question, we have f of 4x minus 1 plus f of 4 equals 8x minus 1. So we start applying the substitution method. As for the first one, from f4x minus 1, which is the domain of this first f, if I let 4x minus 1 to be equals 4, then I want to make x the subject of the formula here. We are going to transfer 1 to other side, as we have 4x equals 5, which implies that x equals 5 divided by 4. And if x equals 5 divided by 4, we are going to have f of, so x is 5 divided by 4. Therefore, we have 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 minus 1 plus f of 4 equals 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 minus 1. So if 4 cancelled 4 and we have 5 minus 1, that gives us 4. Then plus f of 4 equals 2 here, that is 1. And 4 here is 1. 4 in 8, that gives us 4. 2 and 2 times 5, that is 10 minus 1. Then we have f of 4 plus f of 4. This gives us 2 multiplied by f of 4 equals 10 minus 1, that is 9. And we are going to have f of 4 equals 9 divided by 2. When we divide both sides by 2, we get f of 4. So I get this because from the question we have f of 4, and the value of f of 4 has been known to be 9 over 2. And this same f of 4, in the second method I'm going to be applying, we are going to make use of f of 4. So let's try and note this thing down. Then after getting f of 4, then again, let's try and let 4x minus 1, which is the domain of the first functions, to be minus 4 as well. So we let it to be minus 4, then we also make x the subject of the formula here. So by doing that, we have 4x equals minus 3. Because when this minus 1 comes here, it becomes positive, and minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. So this implies that our x here equals minus 3 divided by 4 when we divide both sides by 4. So let's come back to the given question and substitute x again as minus 3 divided by 4. So again we have x equals minus 3 divided by 4. And also we have initially f of 4 to be equals 9 divided by 2. And we substitute again, we have f of 4 multiplied by minus 3 divided by 4, then minus 1, plus f of 4 equals 8 multiplied by minus 3 divided by 4, then minus 1. So if 4 cancelled 4, we have f of minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4, plus f of 4 equals 4 here 1 and 4 in 8, that is 2. 2 times minus 3, that is minus 6, and minus 6 minus 1, we have minus 6 minus 1. So here we cannot add this because this is minus 4 and this is 4. They are different. What we can only do is replacing f of 4 with 9 over 2 and we get f of minus 4. So here is plus 9 divided by 2 equals minus, here we have minus 6 minus 1, that is minus 7. And to get f of 4 here, suppose I multiply 2 by minus 2. If I multiply this by 2, 2 times f of minus 4 plus, multiply this by 2, so 2 cancel 2, we have 9 equals, multiply this one by 2, that is minus 14. Then we have 2f of minus 4 equals, if I take 9 here, we have minus 14 minus 9. And minus 14 minus 9, so this gives us minus 23. And by dividing both sides by 2, we are going to have f of minus 4, which is equals minus 23 divided by 2. So this is the value of f of minus 4. And we can still solve this in another beautiful way. Let's see how we can do that. Now consider this as method 2. If we have f of 4x minus 1 plus f of 4 equals 8x minus 1. And to find f of minus 4, suppose I let this f of x minus 1 to be equals t. So if I let this one to be equals t and make t the subject of the formula, or before we do that, so we can just say f of 4x minus 1 equals, if we transfer this here, we have 8x minus 1 minus f of 4. So this is still easy. So let's make x the subject of the formula here by replacing every single x with t. So here we have 4x minus 1 equals t. And then our x here equals t plus 1 divided by 4. So if x equals t plus 1 over 4, everywhere we see x here, we change it to t plus 1 divided by 4. And we have, by changing 4x minus 1 to t, we have f of t plus f of 4 equals 8 into bracket of x has changed to t plus 1 divided by 4, then minus 1. And we know that f of 4 is given as plus 9 over 2 equals 2 here, 2 here, that is 2 into bracket of t plus 1 minus 1. Then we have f of t equals, let's take this here, we are going to have 2t plus 2 minus 1, then minus 9 divided by 2. And if I change x to t to x, we are going to have f of x equals 2x plus 1 minus 9 over 2. So since this is what we have, and by replacing every x to minus 4, we have f of minus 4 equals 2 into bracket of minus 4 minus 2 times 1, that is 2, minus this, that is minus 7 divided by 2. And then we are going to have 2 times 4, that is minus 8 minus 7 over 2. So therefore we have, so here the answer becomes minus 23 divided by 2. So that is the same answer, different solution, so a different approach. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.